Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. We are studying chemistry. Today we shall study Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. Dear students, this theory was given by John Dalton in 1803. John Dalton this is theory ardashat trehas manz. Postulate क्या है? Elements are composed of extremely small particles called atoms that are indivisible and indestructible. Elements یِم تہِ elements چھِ تِم چھِ آسان اکھ small particle ہٕنٛدۍ بَنہِ واریاہ small particle ہٕنٛدۍ بَنٲمٕتۍ یِمن أسۍ atoms وَنان چھِ یِم یعنی یِم أسۍ divide ہٮ۪کو کٔرِتھ کہِ یا یِم أسۍ destroy ہٮ۪کو کٔرِتھ. These are extremely small particles یِم أسۍ ہٮ۪کو further divide کٔرِتھ کینٛہہ پرٛٮ۪تھ کانٛہہ element چھُ یِمو small atomن ہُنٛد بَنیومُت آسان. All atoms of a given element are identical. They have the same size, mass, and chemical properties. All atoms of a given element. Yum the given element say is no sodium, is no gold, is no silver. Timic element, tim elementic sari atom asan same. Size is to same. Chemical property is to same. Yani agar is gold atom nemo is hot atom, lush atom. When atom as they will have they will be identical, having same size, having same mass, and having same chemical property. Even Dalton pan atomic theory means. Further kya wonim? All atoms of a given element are atoms of a given element have same properties. Atoms of one element are different from the atoms of other element. Imkur study, imun say agar z element nemo, X side nemo gold, back side nemo copper, X side nemo sodium, back side nemo potassium. Yum is the element name. Tihin atom asan panway different. Tihin atoms asan a gold atom as tat as alag property. Silver agar certain tat nemo tat as badal property. Yani ki tumun as different property. Kyunki tum chhe they are atoms of different elements. Compounds are composed of atoms of more than one element. Dun ya tren atom atom jorach element jorach yel dun ya tren atom element atom jorach tom bana compounds. Compounds are composed of atoms of more than one element. Atoms of more than one element. The relative number of atoms of each element in a given compound is always the same. The relative number of yani ki given atoms, relative number of atoms. Yum te compound chhe, yum zatre element chhe, this atoms asan relative you kota atom gasan nemi gasan kota te asan size composition ase same. The relative number of atoms of each element in a given compound tam asan same. Pratth kun element atom asan same. Chemical reactions only involve the rearrangement of atoms. Chemical reaction rearrangement atom asan atoms are not created. Atoms nagasa create nagasa destroy, only rearrangement of these things occur. Atoms can be neither created nor destroyed. Atoms hakuna create karit na hako destroy karit. Iski postulate yum Dalton pan atomic theory maze one. Atoms of same elements can combine in more than one ratio to form one compound. Atom hakan same element compound this gazet ya zatre element hakan compound gaz ishwana yukum chimun yun just Dalton athai but drawbacks te ki tomte par drawbacks ka you but reject te karna. This postulate Dalton's atomic theory. Drawback is drawback atomic theories. Dalton's atomic theories. Drawback is one of the major drawback of Dalton's atomic theory of matter is that atoms were brought to be indivisible. Even atom indivisible, magar later on atom or divide karna kya atom is made up of subatomic particles, say electrons, protons, neutrons. Go MJ go Imson theory. Although this got the first explanation is magar MJ goes reject MJ hukna atoms are indivisible, but atoms are further on divide karna. Chunki atoms much as a particles, these are electrons, protons, and neutrons. Dalton's atomic theory that all atoms of an element have exactly the same mass. If it is, however, now known that atoms of same elements can have a slightly different mass. Even all atoms of an element تمن آسہِ same mass مگر پتہٕ ییٚلہِ later on آو یہِ prove کرنہٕ کہِ all atoms of a same element تمن ہیٚکہِ mass number different تہِ ٲسِتھ. Dalton's atomic theory says that atoms of different elements have different masses. It is, however, now known that even atoms of different elements have same mass. Even atoms of different elements different mass. مگر آز چھِ یِوان یہِ تہِ آو پتہٕ وٕچھنہٕ کہِ different elements تمن ہیٚکہِ atomic mass کُنہِ ساتہٕ same تہِ ٲسِتھ. تہٕ گوٚو یِم ٲسۍ اَمِکۍ اَتھ ڈرٛابیکٕس یعنی یِم نہٕ یہِ ایٚکٕسپلین پونٛسہٕ کٔرِتھ کِہیٖنۍ. Thank you. Hope you have understood that Dalton's atomic theory.